Hi there, Scott Mathias again. In this particular video we're going to be doing a zucchini fettuccine with asparagus and some olives. Now you're going to need one firm zucchini, firm because it's actually going to go into this handheld Gefu spiralizer, and I'll talk more about that in just a second. And of course fresh asparagus, you'll only need a couple of those, and some olives. Now these are actually dehydrated olives. These are beautiful things. They're just a little bit tartier, but they're dehydrated raw olives. Some garlic. This is a clove of garlic, and that is finely chopped, which we'll add to the finished product, and a lime. So the real thing right now is, first of all, you make it up in a bowl, ready to go. Now this spiralizer is really interesting. It's got two cutting blades, one down this side and one down the other side here. One is a lot thinner than the other, so that creates a spaghetti. One is quite thicker, which creates a fettuccine. What you do is you put your courgette or your zucchini into the spiralizer and you begin turning, and what it does, it just creates very, very nattily a well-defined fettuccine, which you just drop into the preparation bowl, and that just winds around beautifully. And of course once the green skin is gone, you've got nice white flesh. This is a meal fit for a king and his queen. I find in my household that if I have someone with me, one zucchini feeds two people. Now this is probably the most laborious part of the whole exercise, which is really bizarre, I know. And that's that. So what we have here is we have a lovely bowl of zucchini spaghetti, which is really lovely, or in this case zucchini fettuccine. We'll then take the asparagus. You know how to just get rid of the hard bit off the end, is just gently break them. You don't need to cut that, it'll find its point of ripeness, and away it goes. I just tend to slice these nice and evenly. Alright, we take the juice of a lime, squeeze that in here, which is just absolutely fabulous. I'll just grab a spoon and dig that in here, or a fork, just dig that around. There we go. This is actually so simple, so easy, and works so quickly. Now I said the juice of a lime in the recipe, which you can download as a PDF at the bottom of the video, but you don't need a whole lime. I tend to like it. We'll add in the garlic, of course, which is pre-chopped. Now we're just going to add a little bit of macadamia oil. The macadamia oil just gives it a bit of an oily flavour, which is lovely, and a little bit of seasoning. We won't put the olives in until last. Bit of seasoning. I'll just put a dab of pepper in that as well. Just stunning. Now, as is usually the case, I'm underprepared and someone's going to get at me for that. So I'll just grab a lovely serving dish. I thought I'd just do it in the glass bowl, but we really do want to do a nice job on it, don't we? Because that's what you want to do for your guests as well. And what you do is just pick that up with your fingers, and we're just going to place it ever so gently in the center of this beautiful plate here. We're going to just put the olives in, and what you have in the space of a matter of a few moments is the most amazing raw fettuccine, zucchini fettuccine with asparagus. I'll put a few more of those in as well, because I'm going to eat this for my dinner tonight. More asparagus on there, and olives. Now that took less than 3 minutes to prepare, not even that. There's a lovely photograph at the front of the video, as it's always, and one at the back. But you'll really, really enjoy this. Just have a closer look. I'll give you a lovely shot of that. Yeah, so there we go. One of the easiest, most simplest, and tastiest raw food dishes that I really, really enjoy. I hope you enjoy it. Until the next video, remain healthy, and I'm Scott Mathias. Cheerio.